Hello, welcome to another episode on the trending WASSCE 2024 May-June edition for Nigeria. The objective question number 43. The area of a sector of a circle with radius 7 centimeter is given as 51.3 centimeters squared. We are to calculate, correct to the nearest whole number, the angle of the sector. So if you have your circle, we know a sector is a region between two radius and an arc. So the whole of this, the area of the whole of this is given as 51.3 centimeters squared, whereby the radius has been given as 7 centimeters. So these are all the information presented by the question. So what do we need? We need to know what is the formula for the area of the sector of a circle. We know area of a sector of a circle is given by the angle subtended at the center divided by 360. It's a ratio of that times the area of the circle itself. So that is going to be pi r squared. So the value for this is given. We can pick this as 3.14 or 22/7. So the area has been provided. We know these two. The only thing needed is the angle. So let's do substitution to have 513 equals to theta over 360 times 22/7 times 7 times 7 in the case of the r square. So we know this will clear this. So I'll be left with 1, 2, 3 as a numerator and this as a denominator. So I can cross multiply directly from there. Meaning, okay, let's maintain it. 513 equals to 22 times 7, which is this, times what? Theta divided by 360. So you can see from here the multiplication will hold, cross multiplying. So I have 51.3, 360 equals to 22 times 7. You could multiply to get to 154, but let's maintain that. So now we need to clear the coefficient from here. You can multiply or still maintain that addition. So I have that multiplication, 153 times 36 divided by 22 times 7, then 22 times 7 theta divided by 22 times 7. So obviously it will cancel from there. 2 will cancel here 11 and go there 180. You multiply everything. In your calculator, you have your theta equals to 119.922. But don't forget, we have to listen to the dictate of the question. Nearest whole number. So, or the nearest degree. So what do? We stand on the whole number, the last number, and look at the right, which is 9. Taken as 1, added to the 19 to make it 20. So the angle will be 120 degrees. The angle of the sector, or the angle subtended at the center by the arc, will be 120 degrees. I'm sure you grab the concept. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.